Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add JavaScript to Wix. Adding JavaScript to your site isn't just about pasting code. It's about extending what your website can do beyond built-in features. You can track users, integrate third-party tools, customize behavior, and automate things. But if you don't understand where and how to add it, you can easily break your site or slow it down. When you begin, log into your Wix account and go to your dashboard. This is different from the editor. It's where your site settings, integrations, and backend controls are managed. From the dashboard, navigate to Settings. This section controls how your website behaves at a system level. Inside Settings, scroll until you find Development and Integrations. This is where Wix allows you to extend your site using external tools and custom logic. Under this section, click on Custom Code. What this section is: this is where you inject JavaScript into your website. It allows you to add tracking scripts like analytics, integrate third-party tools, customize behavior across pages. Once inside the custom code section, click on New Tool. Then select the option for adding custom code, JavaScript field. Now you'll be given a space where you can paste your script. What happens when you paste code here? Your script runs on your website. Depending on your settings, it can run on all pages, run on specific pages, run at different times, before or after page load. Critical requirement: this feature only works on a paid, upgraded plan. If your site is on a free plan, the custom code section may be restricted. Scripts won't execute properly. You need an upgraded plan for this to work fully. Important clarification: this is not the same as editing your site's internal code. There are two main ways to use JavaScript in Wix. Custom code, what you're doing here, for external scripts, analytics, widgets, etc. Velo by Wix, advanced coding inside the editor, for building custom logic within your site. What you just did, big picture: you accessed backend settings, opened the custom code environment, added JavaScript to your site. You extended your website's functionality beyond default features. To summarize, adding JavaScript to a Wix website involves logging into your dashboard, navigating to the settings section, and accessing the development and integrations area. From there, you open the custom code section and create a new tool where you can paste your JavaScript. Once added, the script runs on your site based on the configuration you choose, such as which pages it applies to and when it executes. A key requirement for this feature is having an upgraded Wix plan, as custom code functionality is not fully available on free plans. While the process itself is straightforward, the effectiveness and safety of your implementation depend on using reliable scripts and configuring them properly. When used correctly, custom JavaScript allows you to extend your site's capabilities and integrate powerful external tools. And that's how to add JavaScript to Wix. It's simple on the surface, but powerful underneath. This is where your site starts becoming more than just a template. You can track, automate, and integrate almost anything. But don't just throw scripts in randomly. That's how sites break or slow down. Be intentional. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.